What a mammoth run chase we saw over here by Miraba and the Lions over here. Chasing down 203 within 19 overs and winning the game by 5 wickets. Well done, the Lions. Welcome to the post-match presentation of Rosemarg NMPL Season 4. Proudly presented by Mazgaon Cricket Club. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to NMPL Committee for the remarkable hosting of this spectacular Season 4 of Rosemarg NMPL. An outstanding tournament organized by Mazgaon Cricket Club and approved by Mumbai Cricket Association. Time to thank our sponsors. Title sponsor Rosemarg Limited, official streaming platform Waves and DD Sports, associate and team sponsor Vashi Warriors, Monarch Net Worth Capital Limited, Thane Tigers, Sukra Pharmaceuticals over here, Belapur Blasters Jojo Limited, Amarnath Avengers, Emirates Holding Group, Copper Kene Titans, Sarvamangal Equity Asset Management Private Limited, Sanpara Scorpions over here, Srimad Bhagwat Assets Management LLP, Miraband the Lions, Move Moda, Oroma Ventures Private Limited, and Kalyan Tusk Zest 1 point always. And as we all know about the result, the Lions won this game by 5 wickets. Now it is time to introduce our post-match presentation party. Starting from my left, we have got Mr. Prasad Desai, the Commissioner of NMPL. Then besides him, we have Mr. Brijesh Solkar over here, the Selector of NMPL. Thank you, gentlemen, for being over here. Can we have Divyansh first over here for a chat? Divyansh was going right, but in the last overs, the fielding was disappointing.
Yes, it was. First of all, I would like to start with batting as well. I think we were 15-20 runs short there, and of course the catches. If they would have been taken, we would have won this game easily.
Yeah, and one of the best fielders were putting down the catches. That was a real concern for you.
Yeah, I mean, they are still young players and they are trying to make their mark. I think they will get better with time, but it's a good experience for them if they learn from it. So I think it would be good for them in the future.
What do you have to say about the opposite number, Pragnesh? What a knock it played.
Yeah, he's a fantastic batsman and a very good all-rounder, to be honest. And he was really calculative in the start and he didn't take chances to the good bowlers, and he was waiting for the right opportunities to hit the runs, and he did that really well.
Tough luck, all the best for your future games. Time to call upon the winning captain, Pragnesh over here. Pragnesh, you are also a player of the match, so first you can receive the trophy from Prasad sir, and then the sunscreen over here from Zik Strong from Brijesh sir. What a performance from you. 94 not out of 43 balls. Amazing batting. That's a captain who's also the player of the match. First, as a captain, somewhere do you think that the bowlers did well to restrict them around 200? At one stage it looked like 220 the score.
Yeah, initially we leaked a lot of runs. I think power play was not on our side. But after 10 overs, our bowlers really made a great comeback. So, yeah, credit to bowlers for making a great comeback. Yeah.
Once Tanush got out, Rishikesh came in. What was going on between you two?
Yeah, actually, I have a lot of trust on him. He has a great six-hitting ability. So, I was banking on him all the time. He actually helped me release the pressure while we were playing. So, yeah, credit goes to him. Actually, you should have given this to him. He also got wickets, I guess.
He started the 6 hitting moves and then you finished the game for your team.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So do you want to hand over this or you want to share this man of the match with Rishikesh?
I would really like to hand over this to Rishikesh.
That's a really good gesture. Can we have Rishikesh? The captain wants to hand over this man of the match to Rishikesh, the man who made the move away, the impact. Well done, captain. That's a really good gesture. So ladies and gentlemen, that is all from this post-match presentation. See you in the evening.